This is Papa Dale. I've had quite a morning here. I started off at Integrity Auto Repair. And then I went to Discount Tire to try to get my rear tires aired up and tried to get tire extensions put on. They didn't have the tire extensions. So they sent me to El Dorado RV. So I went to El Dorado RV and they didn't have any of the air extensions. So they sent me to what is it here? They sent me to Coach Specialists of Plano. So I went to Coach Specialists of Plano, and they didn't have what I thought I needed. So Coach Specialists of Plano called a dozen different places, couldn't find anybody in DFW that had the right tire extenders or the inflating nipple extenders. And so finally I had them call Plano Tire. So here I am at Plano Tire. At a minimum, they're going to inflate my tires and get me going that way. And maybe they even have the nipple extenders to be able to allow tire inflation a little more easily. So that's what's going on right now. And I'm actually right here on the back side of Plano Tire. So this is their workshop here. I'll give you a little picture of what it looks like from the front side. So if you ever get into Texas and you got any problem with your tires up in North Texas, you're going to be able to know where to go, and that's Plano Tire. So here we go out the front, and let's see what we got up here in the way of a sign. Oh, it's a big one. It says Plano Tire Company of Plano, Texas. Yabba dabba doo! And as I look around here, this is the North Central Expressway up there. That's the US 75 major north-south freeway from Dallas all the way up to the Oklahoma border and through such towns as Richardson and of course Plano, and right next to Frisco, and right straight through the heart of McKinney, and all the way up north. That's the way it goes. So here we are at Plano Tire, and they're going to take care of me. They're going to get my tires properly inflated so that I'm not going to have to worry about that part of it on the road. Well, it's Papa Dale checking in, and now it's Papa Dale checking out. Yabba dabba doo!